Hey everyone, I'm Brad Wood and I'm a solutions consultant at Sketch Development. And in this video, we are going to look at value scoring and prioritization in Atlassian tools, specifically Jira and Jira Product Discovery, and more importantly, when you should use each approach. At Sketch Development, we're an Atlassian solutions partner, and we work with teams on consulting, licensing, and training across the entire Atlassian toolset. We'll first demonstrate how to use automation in Jira to calculate a numeric value, and then we'll move to JPD to show a more dynamic approach to the same process. We'll also talk about use cases and which teams benefit most from each process. So with that, let's jump into our first demo. All right, so we are going to start over here in Jira, and let's say we've got a number of numeric custom fields and we want to calculate the average of them to generate a value score. We can do that by utilizing automation. So we've got our value score fields here, and notice that we've added these to their own tab, keeping them separate from the rest of the fields on the work item. Once we populate these fields, automation is going to perform our calculation. So let's just do something simple here. We'll just add some numeric values to these fields. So we've got a total of 8 here, and we are going to let automation run, and we should get 8 divided by 4. And we may just need to refresh this screen really quickly to see our update. And once we refresh, we see the value score has been calculated at a 2. So it's basically the sum of these 4 fields divided by the number of fields, which in this case is 4. So this can be a great way to just do simple mathematic calculations. We could even remove the value score field from the edit screen altogether so that it can only be added by automation. We don't even need to include it on screens at all, so we could only show it in our filters, maybe in plans, etc. So it's strictly a calculated field and can't be manipulated or edited by our users. And once we have this value score calculated, now we can use this for prioritization, our road mapping, sequencing, etc. And we could even only show this field on specific work types. So I've seen some organizations only calculate this at maybe the epic level and higher, helping them prioritize those larger pieces of work in their portfolio. So, and using custom fields is a great solution for this as well. So your organization can use its own specific terminology and evaluation metrics to calculate the value score. Again, that doesn't need to be the name of this calculated field. This is just an example. So for example, customer impact, strategic alignment, all of these different fields could be called whatever you want them to be, and these values could be as high as you need them to be to calculate a meaningful metric for your organization. And this approach works well when you're scoring execution level work. You want the score stored directly on delivery issues, but again, we don't have to have this on our delivery issues, but using the custom field gives us that option. I mentioned plans, so if you want to see the score there and help you rank and prioritize your work within plans, this is a great way to do that. Very simple, just numeric based. And of course, this is a good approach if your organization doesn't have access to Jira Product Discovery. This is, however, a configured solution on top of Jira, which requires automation rules, which will count towards your rule executions. And again, this is a very simple calculation that works really well for delivery scoring, so committed work. But what if you're evaluating ideas before they even become delivery work? Well, that's where Jira Product Discovery is going to come in, and we're going to hop over there now for our next demo. All right, so here we are in Jira Product Discovery, and this is a custom view that we've configured. And we can do a similar process as we just saw in Jira, but with some advanced customization options here as well. So JPD comes with a native field type known as a custom formula. You can see that formula indicator right here. In this case, this is just calculating a simple rice score. I mean, you can see what that calculation is down here at the bottom. And we can include different field types in our calculation. So you can see here we've got these different button field types here. So I could choose, very low for this, all the way up to very high. If I actually click on the right thing. Our confidence field is a slider, so we can slide this up or down, or we could just have a regular old numeric field where we type in the values. And notice that the rice score is actually updating in real time here. So if I go to the effort column, for example, and just click very low, you can see that the rice score has updated quite a bit. And if I change it to very high, it updates here as well and in real time. Another cool thing we've done here is adding a formatting rule. So our rice score gets a kind of a color code depending on the value that is calculated here. So these have very high values, so they're green. Those are probably good things to do. If we bring our confidence down all the way here to like a 0, for example, we'll get in the red. This rice score is now 0, which means this is maybe not a piece of work that we want to do. And because scoring is built natively into Jira Product Discovery, these are all native field types. There's no automation configured here or anything like that. We're able to apply weighting easily. We can utilize different field types, which we've seen here. The formatting rules really help us highlight those high value ideas, and we can compare our ideas dynamically across views. And that's one of the reasons Jira Product Discovery is a really strong fit for early stage prioritization and idea evaluation. At Sketch, we really love JPD because it helps us keep discovery and uncommitted ideas out of our delivery backlogs until they're validated and ready to move forward. And so the distinction between the two tools, I think, is important to address here, as Jira is really optimized for executing our committed work, whereas JPD is optimized for evaluating and prioritizing potential work. So who within the organization benefits from value scoring? Let's start with our delivery teams. And value scoring enables them to prioritize work during PI planning, bring transparency to the prioritization process, and ensure that their work is aligned with strategic initiatives. Next, we have product managers, and they're able to evaluate ideas consistently, compare opportunities objectively, and prioritize with defined criteria. And then lastly, our leadership. This helps make prioritization logic visible, reduces subjective debate, and again, helps align investment decisions to measurable impact. And then finally, just another quick comparison between Jira and Jira Product Discovery in terms of the prioritization process. So Jira is going to be able to use automation for scoring, which we saw in our first demo. It's really useful for committed execution level work, and it works well when the score needs to live on our delivery issues. Jira Product Discovery, on the other hand, we have our native formula fields. It's designed specifically for idea evaluation, and it supports weighted scoring and dynamic prioritization. The right choice really depends on where you are in the life cycle of your work. Those are just a couple of the ways you can use Jira and Jira Product Discovery for prioritization and to strategically plan your work. And at Sketch Development, we configure solutions like these for our clients all the time, helping them move away from opinion-based prioritization and towards transparent, structured decision-making. If you'd like to learn more about these solutions or anything else in the Atlassian ecosystem, please feel free to contact me via email or LinkedIn. I would be more than happy to meet with you to discuss your team's unique needs. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.